Hello, we are going to create a simple story using Scratch 2.0. First of all, we have to add a new sprite. We can choose a sprite from library, paint new sprite, upload sprite from file, or new sprite for camera. I will choose a sprite. This is Abby. I will choose another. Anina Hip Hop, for example. Two girls. Now I will choose a backdrop. I will choose backdrop from library. This is an example. Now I will see how to add a voice for Abby and a voice for Anina. For Abby, I will record the sound. Hello Anina, how are you?
Hello Anina, how are you?
And I will see how to code Anina. When I click on the flipped green flag, Anina will say, Abby will say, hello, Anina. And we will play the sound of, I will click on the green flag.
Hello Anina, how are you?
Hello Anina, how are you? How are you? Now Anina will respond to his friend Abby. I will go to Anina and record another sound. That's great. Hi Abby, thank you, I am fine. And you?
Hi Abby, thank you, I am fine. And you? Hi Abby.
Stop. Now, Anina, when green flag is clicked, Anina will say, hi, Abby, I am fine, thank you, and you? And she will say, play the sound. But here Anina will wait. When Abby is talking 2 seconds, she will wait 2 seconds. I will start my story.
Hello Anina, how are you? Hi Abby, thank you, I am fine. And you?
This is our simple story. I will save my story. Simple. Story. I have a problem in the letter L. No problem. Now we will see how to record a video. Record project video. 3, 2, 1. I have to click on the green.
Hello Anina, how are you? Hi Abby, thank you, I am fine. And you?
We are waiting video to file. You can create your simple story, be creative, and we can save your video here. Video of simple of our story. I will open the video and share this video using YouTube. Thank you very much. I am waiting your stories using Scratch.